Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Vaultboy here with a nice song. It's called Everything Is Nothing, alright? So we're going to look at the chords and how to handle this song with a simple string pattern. So let's take a look at this one without any capo, alright? We have a couple chords here to go over. So we're going to start right away with the D minor, okay? And it goes in D minor this song. It goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord will be F. Alright, so it's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret over all strings. You need to bar that, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have A minor here. Alright, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We also got the C here, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, open E. And then we also have two additional chords here for the bridge part later on, and that will be E minor first, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord, yeah, we already covered that actually, F. So it's enough there. E minor will be the last new chord here. So that will be a total of 6 chords. Yeah. Let's take a look at the different parts here. We're going to start with verse. So D minor is the first chord, and to handle this we need to learn the string pattern. It's a pattern that is divided into 2 different parts because of the bridge part that comes later. We need to split the strumming there, otherwise it's pretty straightforward. So D minor here, and grab that one string around will be like this. So the first part will be down, down, up. That's part 1, very easy. And then part 2 is just up, down, up. So together it's down, down, up, down, up. So now the verse will be D minor 1, F1, A minor 1, and G1. You're going to play that for 4 rounds. So let's do a round together. 4 rounds of that, and that is your first verse. Over now to chorus. You're going to play almost the same. Now it's D minor 1, F1, and then C1 and G1. You play that as well for 4 rounds. Let's do that together. 1 round. 4 rounds of that, and that is your chorus. Then comes the post-chorus part. You're going to play the chorus play in the exact same way. You just continue with another 4 rounds. So post-chorus, play the chorus for 4 rounds. And that is the post-chorus 1. At this point, we're going to dive right into the bridge part. And we're now about 1 minute and 41 seconds into this song. This is the part where we need to split the string pattern. So we're going to go D minor. You're going to play 1 full round plus part 1. That means down, down, up, down, up. 1 round plus down, down, up. So that's the D minor part. 1 round plus part 1. And then you quickly change to E minor and play part 2, up, down, up. Then you play the same next part here with the F. You're going to play 1 full round, then part 1, in the same way as you play the D minor. And then you quickly change to G and play part 2, the up, down, up. And then you end this round with A minor 2 full rounds and G 2 full rounds. All this is 1 round in this bridge part. You're going to play it for 2 rounds. So D minor 1 plus part 1, E minor part 2, F1 plus part 1, then G part 2, and A minor 2 and G2. All that for 2 rounds. And I'm going to show you how to play one of these rounds. It goes like this. have one round. We're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that is the bridge part. And after this, we'll have just the ending of this song. So that is to play the chords, which means the D minor, F, C, and G. And you're just gonna play them 1 down per chord for 4 rounds. And if you want to, if you listen to the song, it's actually not just 1 down. There are pluckings, notes from the actual chords, a little bit irregularly played. So you can just have the chords and play like, and just get different notes from the actual chords from D minor, F, C, G. You do it in your way here, and yeah, you do that 4 rounds, and that is where you need to stop, because that is where Vaultboy's Everything Is Nothing ends. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. 6 chords, and a string pattern is pretty easy and common when it comes to guitar play. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.